In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Monday.com account. First, open your browser and head over to the Monday.com homepage. You can simply type Monday.com into the address bar and hit enter. When the site loads, you'll see their main landing page that talks about the work management platform. At the top of that page, look for the main call to action button that lets you start or sign up. Click that button to begin creating your account. This will take you to the sign up screen. On the sign up screen, choose the option to continue with Google. This is the fastest method because it uses your existing Google account details, so you don't have to create and remember a separate password for Monday.com. When you click Continue with Google, a new window will appear asking you to pick which Google account you want to use. Select the Google account you'd like to connect to Monday.com. Once you click on it, Google will handle the login and redirect you back to Monday.com so you can complete the onboarding. Next, Monday.com will ask a series of questions to personalize your workspace. First, choose the main purpose of using the platform. In this example, we'll select Work. Then you'll be asked about your role. Choose Business Owner here, or pick the role that's closest to what you actually do. When you're done, click Continue. You'll then see a question about your team size. Select the option that best fits you. In this walkthrough, we'll move through the 6 to 10 and 20 to 49 employee options as examples, then click Continue again. Now, Monday.com wants to know what department you're in. We'll choose Marketing here, but you should choose whatever fits your situation. Click Continue to move on. After that, select how you mainly plan to use Monday.com. We'll pick Task Management, and then click Continue. You may see some highlighted suggestions or fields on the screen. Follow those prompts and hit Continue when prompted until you reach your new workspace. Once you're inside your workspace, you might see some guided pop-ups. Click through the highlighted areas, and if you're asked about notifications or similar features, you can choose Remind Me Later if you just want to get set up quickly. You'll then be asked to enter a few basic details, such as a workspace or board name. Type your answers into the highlighted fields, click Next, and follow the next prompts. You can also adjust columns like Priority or Last Updated if that's shown, then continue through by clicking Next each time. Finally, fill out any remaining highlighted fields, and when everything looks good, click Get Started. Your Monday.com account is now created and ready to use.